This question is from Ravin Prabhu. He asked, Hare Krishna Guruji, can you give an example where we don't give the result but not having attachment? At the same time, we don't have attachment also.
No, don't. So don't give the results.
He asked for an example where we don't have attachment to what we are doing, but at the same time, we do not give the result. Like we don't throw away the result also. Like we still have the result.
Yeah, when we are doing everything for Krishna, for example, when we want to spread Bhagavad Gita knowledge, when we want to, so we need a lot of we need to first even take care of ourselves. So that way we need results. We need a place to stay. We need a good life to lead, so that we can actually spread Krishna's message. So that way we are working, we are going to job, we are working, we are getting the results, but we are not disturbed by the results. We are not after the results. We are not greedy. We are not going after the results, and we won't be disturbed by the results. But our goal is here is only to please Krishna. So we need to serve Krishna. We need to spread this message, this Bhagavad Gita. So this should be our primary goal. It's not that our goal should be to become a billionaire or millionaire. Even if you want to become, nothing wrong, but still, if you want to become like that, only to serve Krishna. So that way, the very good example is that if you have this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, for example, we are committed to study Bhagavad Gita every day. We are all studying Bhagavad Gita every day. We are making great progress. So it's all happening because of our sincerity, because of our seriousness. We want to study and get this knowledge. So that means we are all devotees. That means whatever we are doing, we are actually doing it for Krishna. And when we do this, when we study this, when we make progress, we are not going to keep all our whatever the resources what we get for our service. We will use it in Krishna's service. Automatically, we will do that with the virtue of this Bhagavad Gita knowledge. So that way, each one of us will become a great example in doing that. By Krishna's mercy, that will definitely happen. This knowledge will make all such wonders. This Bhagavad Gita knowledge will do all such things. So that way, it is very easy for us to lead an example. So we can do everything for Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Prabhu, I'll appreciate if you can give an example that is materialistic in nature, please.
So materialistic in nature means what exactly you mean, Prabhu? So you are asking now the other example, the opposite example, Prabhu? Or,
no, because just now the example that we heard from Prabhu is about learning Bhagavad Gita and getting the results and devoting that result to Krishna, which I don't see any material over there. So can you please provide an example which is material in nature, but we accept the results, but we don't get attached to the results?
Yes, Prabhu. So accept the results means, for example, we are all working. Everyone goes to work. So all the results what we are getting, especially the material means with money. With money you can buy a lot of things, correct? So everything, the matter, everything you can buy. But your goal is only to serve Krishna. So that way, all the results are going to come to us. If we get a salary, very good pay, and if it is getting credited in our account, we are not going to say that I'm not attached to the materialistic results, I'm going to throw away like that. We won't do that. We will engage it properly. We will use it in Krishna's service. But at the same time, if we don't get what we want, also we are not getting disturbed. So that's what is very important. So if we are always remembering Krishna, then we won't be disturbed by anything. But other people who don't have the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, who are after this materialistic life, so they will be disturbed. So otherwise, the results are results. So it is for a devotee, it will be, you will make it as a spiritual. Whereas a person who is not a devotee, for him, everything will look like a material. So that's why Sakta Karmani Avidvamso Yata Kurvanti Bharata Kuryad Vidvams Tata Asaktaga Chikirsugu Loka Sangragam. So how a person without any knowledge, so he's getting attached to the work and doing the activities. So similarly, you also perform the duties, but you don't get attached to the results because you have the knowledge. So that's what makes the difference. Otherwise, both persons will be doing the same way. For example, when Arjuna was fighting in the battle, so everyone thought that Arjuna is also fighting like everyone. So Duryodhana was fighting, he was fighting for himself. So others also thought that Arjuna was fighting for Arjuna, but Arjuna didn't fight for himself. Arjuna fought for Krishna. Otherwise, Arjuna didn't even want to fight. So, but others, they don't know about that. So, like that way, the activity as far as the fighting is fighting, so both are fighting, but here Arjuna was fighting for Krishna, whereas the others were fighting for themselves. So that is the difference between a devotee and non-devotee. So and Arjuna won the war. Arjuna got the kingdom. Arjuna became the king also. So he was enjoying everything. Even though Arjuna didn't like it. Even though Arjuna didn't like means even though Arjuna didn't want it. He said that Nakangshe Vijayam Krishna Nacharajam Sukhanicha.
Sukha.
I don't desire any victory. I don't want this kingdom. I don't want to enjoy this kingdom. I don't want all these things. That's what Arjuna said. But he wanted to please Krishna, so he fought for Krishna, and he gained the kingdom. So that way he got the victory. So he got the materialistic results there, but he didn't get affected by the results. So that's an example. You understand that, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu. So can I take it like this, that when we do a work, we should do with devotion without thinking about the result, because the result could be positive, result could be negative, and whatever the result comes, we should channelize it in the direction of Krishna. So that would be the right way of doing work and taking the results out of it. Is that right,
Exactly.
Prabhu?
All the devotees will do like that way only. When we get this knowledge, when we are attached to Krishna, we will automatically do that. When we get this Bhagavad Gita knowledge, we are getting ourselves trained to do like that. Right now, whatever we are studying every day, this is not an ordinary thing. What we are doing it's a wonderful, great yajna. What we are doing is the jnana yajna. So this is giving us so much of knowledge, and we are getting ourselves attracted to Krishna so much that we are not going to get affected by the results. So that's what is going to happen. And we will also find ourselves become very busy in preaching Krishna's message and spreading Krishna's message. So that way we won't be affected by the results. Yes, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. Hare Krishna.